Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the Wi-Fi password on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Method 1, using Google Lens. Step 1, first unlock your phone and open the Google application. Step 2, now locate the Google Lens icon, it looks like a camera, on the right side of the search bar and tap on it. Step 3. Next, go to the Images menu and select the Wi-Fi QR code image from your gallery. Step 4. Now Google Lens will scan the QR code and display the Wi-Fi password on your screen. Method 2. Using a QR code scanner app. Step 1. Open the Play Store and search for a QR code scanner app. Download and install the first recommended app. Step 2. Open the app, grant the necessary permissions, and tap on the picture symbol at the top. Select the Wi-Fi QR code image from your gallery. Step 3. For the last and most important step, the app will show the Wi-Fi name, type, and password. Tap Copy Password to save it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.